Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Nobita Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled AI APIs. Connecting your apps to the AI brain. Hey everyone, Nobita here. Ever wished your app could understand what people say? Draw pictures from text, or even write stories? Sounds like magic, right? Well, it's not. It's thanks to something called an AI API. Think of it like this. Instead of building a super smart AI brain from scratch, which is super hard, you can just rent one that's already built and powerful. This lesson will show you how your apps can talk to these incredible AI brains and make them do amazing things. Before we dive into APIs, let's understand what a regular API is. API stands for Application Programming Interface. Imagine you're at a restaurant. You don't go into the kitchen to cook your food, right? You tell the waiter what you want from the menu. The waiter, the API, takes your order to the kitchen. The server, service, the kitchen prepares it, and the waiter brings it back to you. In the tech world, your app is like you. The waiter is the API, and another program or service is the kitchen. It's how programs talk to each other. An AI API is just like that restaurant waiter. But instead of talking to a regular kitchen, it talks to an AI kitchen, a highly trained artificial intelligence model. These AI models are incredibly complex and have been taught to do specific smart tasks, like understanding language, recognizing images, or generating new content. When your app uses an AI API, it's sending a request to one of these powerful AI brains, saying, "Hey, can you please analyze this text? Or can you generate an image based on this description?" And the AI brain sends the clever answer back. Why go through this waiter system? Because building AI models from the ground up is incredibly difficult, expensive, and requires a lot of specialized knowledge and data. By using an AI API, you get 1. Instant power. Access to state-of-the-art AI models without building them. 2. Save time and money. No need for massive computing resources or a team of AI scientists. 3. Easy integration. Major tech companies like Google, OpenAI, Amazon, and Microsoft offer these APIs, making them reliable and easy for developers to plug into their existing apps. It's like buying a pre-made cake instead of baking it from scratch for your app. From a developer's perspective, it's a simple two-step dance. 1. You send a request. Your code sends a message, usually in a standard format like JSON, to the AI API's address on the internet. This message contains the data you want the AI to process, e.g., text you want translated, an image you want described, or a prompt for generating text. You'll typically use an API key, like a secret password, to identify yourself. 2. The AI sends a response. The AI model processes your data, and then the API sends back its result, again, usually in JSON, to your app. This could be the translated text, the image description, or the generated story. Your app then takes this result and uses it however you programmed it to. There are many different kinds of AI APIs, each trained for specific tasks. Text APIs, e.g., ChatGPT by OpenAI, for understanding, generating, summarizing, or translating human language. Image APIs, e.g., DALL-E by OpenAI, Midjourney, for generating images from text descriptions, analyzing images, or recognizing objects. Speech APIs, e.g., Google Cloud Speech to Text, for converting spoken words into text or text into natural-sounding speech. Vision APIs, e.g., Amazon Recognition, for detecting faces, objects, or activities in images and videos. Recommendation APIs, e.g., Netflix's recommendation engine, for suggesting products, movies, or content based on user preferences. All accessible with a few lines of code. To start using an AI API, you'll typically need a few things. 1. An account. Sign up with an AI provider, like OpenAI, Google Cloud, AWS. 2. An API key. This is your unique secret code that lets the API know who you are and that you're authorized to make requests. Keep it safe. 3. A programming language. You can use popular languages like Python, JavaScript, or C# to make these API calls. Most providers offer easy-to-use libraries that simplify the process. 4. A simple program. You'll write a few lines of code to send your request. E.g., OpenAI, completion, create, prompt equals tell me a joke, and then handle the response that comes back. It's much simpler than it sounds. APIs are democratizing AI. They allow developers, even beginners, to integrate incredibly powerful AI capabilities into their applications without needing a PhD in machine learning. From making chatbots smarter, generating unique content, automating customer support, or creating innovative new user experiences, the possibilities are truly endless. This is just the beginning of how you, as a developer, can harness the power of AI and build the future. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.